Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Chrome history. Whether you want to clear up some space or just keep your browsing private, it's super easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. Now tap on the three dots in the bottom left corner. From here, select History. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on History again. Now to delete browsing data, here you can find Delete Browsing Data at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Choose whichever you want to delete. I'll be deleting every of it. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. It may take some time, and once you've done it, all your browsing data has been deleted. Click on Done and all your history has been deleted, and that is it. This is how you successfully delete your Google Chrome history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.